Ah, Rubber Ducky saves the day. There you go. Problem solved. Okay, goodbye.
Ruff stopped the leak.
Quack.
It didn't work.
The water's headed for the comic books. To make the water flow in a different direction, we have to put something in its way.
Oh, how about this bookend?
And the stapler. Let's try it. And hurry! The comic books are depending on us.
It's working! We saved them!
Uh-oh. Another leak. Can you help us?
Thanks for your help! Awesome! We moved the water!
More water?
The dotted lines show one way to do it. Try it out!
Nice! Great engineering! Another leak! How can you solve it?
Try matching a tool to the dotted lines.